At sunrise on a bright, cheerful farm, animals begin their happy day as chickens peck grain and chicks run around. A small brown chicken named Chikku explores the farm, and Chikku shows her kind heart by helping a baby chick stuck near a haystack and making everyone smile. One day, the farmer accidentally leaves the gate open, and a sly fox quietly arrives, hiding behind the bushes and watching the farm chickens. As the clouds darken slightly, fear spreads across the farm, and the chickens huddle together in fear. Chikku thinks quickly and comes up with a clever idea, using her courage instead of strength. She flaps her wings loudly, rolls stones, and knocks over a bucket, creating funny noises that scare and confuse the fox. Dizzy and frightened, the fox runs away from the farm, thinking it will never come back. Happiness fills the farm again as the animals cheer and celebrate Chikku's brave deed with joy. The farmer returns, closes the gate, and smiles at his brave chickens. In the end, Chikku stands happily with a flock.